The next one's with a company called SewerAI Corporation. In the agreement, it's for some new software for our trucks, some licensing, so we have access to this program. The bulk of it, you'll see, is we will transfer all our videos where we have completely done sanitary and storm now, and then they run it through this AI program and grade that at PACP grading, which is what we use. So then we get that information back. We're able to better decide for next year what our lining projects are going to be, what areas need to be cleaned and retelevised. It's going to just make that more efficient. We won't be going out and cleaning clean pipe, but we'll be putting our resources towards problem areas. It also includes an asset management program within that, so it takes and then ranks your most serious asset problems that could potentially cause. And then you can click on that line at that point and it'll recommend the rehabilitation methods and contractors in our area known to do it. It's AI, it's interactive. You can ask questions and get responses from it. The big part of this is just having 100% graded. We have 100% of it videoed. Currently, we have maybe half of it actually graded. We don't have all the information we need to make better decisions, and this will give us that. So this is the first year. This is what it's going to cost for this year. Moving forward, they have a couple different options, sort of a pay-as-you-go. It's like 30 cents a foot to have it graded. We're getting discounted rates because of the quantity. And then they have a pay, I think it's $24,000 currently a year, and that includes all your licenses plus unlimited number of footage graded for pipe. Break-even points about 16,000 feet a year. So if we're going to do more than that, we'll take the $24,000 option. If we're going to do less than that, we'll do the pay-as-you-go type of setup. Are there any questions on this?
Brian came to me a long time ago talking about the advantages of having this, the amount of coverage, the accuracy, and the dollars that will be saved by having it. The use of AI always concerns me, but absolutely incredible what this will do. And I think in the contract I read the number is like 800,000 feet.
It's
Is that right?
745,000 or 790,000.
Plus another 40,000 on top of it.
Yeah.
And just
Yeah.
perspective.
So it's over 800,000 feet.
Yeah, it's under the scope of the agreement.
And if I'm right, be very careful. That's over 150 miles. That is me driving down to Carmel to see my grandkid and coming back. We forget sometimes how much territory needs to be covered, the infrastructure underground. Does that sound about right? Over 150 miles?
Yeah. The other advantage is it's all graded the same. So we have several people that are PACP certified and can grade it, but you may look at a crack. You can call it a crack, a fissure. So this will all be graded the same. Whether you agree with how it's graded or not, it'll all be consistent instead of having different people grade differently. So that's why we want to get even the pipe we've already graded put into this system so that it's all consistently the same.
At what point do we anticipate that we would have to film it again?
Typically, what you do is we'll take anything that's, say, a 3 or a 4, and we'll rerun it to see if that condition has gotten worse or stayed the same.
Okay.
And so that's why I say if something grades out as a 0 or a 1, we're probably not going to waste our time going back through it unless we see a problem developing in those areas. Obviously, with all the boring work we have going on, we've had a lot of damage from that, and some of that may not show up right away. Some of it has shown up right away. We've had boring incidences that take years before we discover them. So we may prioritize some of the pipe that's been involved in some of that to get eyes on it again to make sure we don't have any damage.
Because I know a program's only as good as the data you feed into it. Yeah.
Good point.
And some of this has been, I think we completed the sanitary side probably in 17 This year, we started going back through some of those. We finished up the storm lines this year, and now we're going back into the sanitary lines.
Okay, good, because I'm hoping that we have an ongoing plan, so we don't get where we were.
Oh, no, that's part of this is, it's just a tool to help us make better decisions and to rank that pipe on what we need to rehab next.
A few years ago, I never would have dreamed I was going to make a motion for SewerAI.